Hello everyone. Got a surprise visit last night from my good friend Ian from Madura and his mates. Yes. And we're going to go for a little ride this morning. I'm going to show them a few places, hopefully. Yeah. They're on a worldwide tour, right?
I think so.
Yeah. Okay, looks like the rain stopped. We have a bit of a sunny day this morning in Jimbaran. And look at the crew, we're getting ready to take our bikes to a few beaches. Look at this. Some Mad Max type of outfit. So we'll start by Jimbaran Beach. From there we'll go up to Honeymoon Beach. What's the name in Bahasa?
Tagalwangi.
Tagalwangi. So we're going to Tagalwangi. All right. So hope you enjoy the ride, and well, let's ride on, everybody.
The sound of leaving, I tried and try every day. How could I please her? Oh Lord, have mercy on me. Have mercy on my soul.
Jimbaran Beach. Pantai Jimbaran. Cantik sekali. Welcome, my friend, to my beach, to my backyard.
Left in my life, she never told me, without a word or a sign. My heart was thrown. My heart.
All right, now we're off to Tagalwangi, Honeymoon Beach.
What am I supposed to do? I'm feeling so down. She never told me how, and I'm losing my mind. Oh, I've been mistreated, my heart's been cheated, my life was taken apart. Don't you know, baby, we can make it alright, but you won't let me.
This is where you don't want to park. You want to go down the trail. All right.
My heart's been cheated, my life was taken apart. Don't you know, baby, we can make it alright. Come on and let me in. I've been mistreated, my heart's been cheated, my life was taken apart. Don't you know, baby, we can make it alright. Come on and let me in. Come on and let me in. Come on and let me in.
have a look at this beautiful spot. Isn't this something? Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
Great.
Yeah.
Pemandangannya laut, mantap.
Wow, okay, it's getting hot now, time to move on. I just was interviewed about Rosie. You take Rosie somewhere, people love her so much, they wanted to talk about her. I might show up in my friend's vlog here. Thank you for your interview. Yeah, what's the name of your vlog?
Akarider. MDR.
MDR.
Yeah,
MDR. Okay. So saya bikin link untuk itu. So yeah, just got a little interview there with Dalil and talking about Rosie and how she came to be and kind of our love story. But now it's getting hot. So guys, how about we go and chill somewhere in the shade?
That's good.
Sounds like a plan. All right.
Sounds good.
Let's hit the road. Let's ride on. Thank you very much, Ian, for dropping by to my house and to bringing your friends. Thank you so much for everything, guys.
No. Not you say thanks. Should be us. Thanks to you.
Well, how about we all thank one another? All right, my friends. I hope to see you on the road somewhere around Indonesia. And until I do, sampai jumpa lagi.